In this video, we explore some of the best front and rear dash cams available today and highlight the key features that set them apart. Let's get started. REDTIGER F7N. The REDTIGER F7N Touch 4K dash cam stands out with its 4K UHD resolution, capturing vivid footage both day and night. With wide-angle views at 170 degrees for the front and 140 degrees for the rear, accompanied by advanced WDR and HDR technologies, you are assured high-quality recordings. Hands-free voice and touchscreen controls enhance safety by allowing easy management of the dual cameras, including emergency video locking and scenic photography. ROVE R2. The ROVE R2-4K dual dash cam offers remarkable dual-channel recording, featuring a 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera. Equipped with SONY STARVIS 2 sensors, this dash cam ensures high-quality footage even in low light. The incorporation of ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi allows seamless video management and sharing through the ROVE app, enhancing convenience and connectivity for iOS and Android users. BOTSLAB. The BOTSLAB 4K dash cam provides exceptional clarity with its Sony IMX415 sensor. Advanced ADAS features offer real-time safety alerts, ensuring safe driving. Effortless setup and expanded vision with wide-angle coverage make it user-friendly. Integrated GPS and WDR technology ensure reliable recording with route tracking and optimal image quality in various lighting conditions. To find more information about the best front and rear dash cams featured in this video, be sure to check out the links in the description box. Thanks for watching.